Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Convivial. If today not the first time you come across this channel, avec try subscribe, like and share. Ciao tutti, mi chiamo Convivial, questo è il mio canale. Mi raccomando, seguitemi, condividete e mettete il like. Cosa andiamo a vedere oggi? Espressioni di tempo, expressions of time, sia nel presente, nel passato e nel futuro, ok? Presente means present, passato means past, futuro means future. But we start from present, okay? Guys, if I talk oggi, what did I talk? Today, oggi, Convivial, quando hai l'esame? Oggi. Convivial, when you get exam? Today. Adesso, that's still present. What it be adesso? Now. What it be ora? Still means now. All of this one are present. But we still go look at another one. Stamattina or stamani? Stamattina or stamani, it means this morning. Questo pomeriggio or oggi pomeriggio. Oggi pomeriggio, it means today afternoon, ok? Oggi pomeriggio. Quando giocano al calcio? Oggi pomeriggio. When they play ball? Oggi pomeriggio. Today afternoon. Stasera, today evening. In the evening. This evening. Stasera, this evening. Stanotte, tonight. Stanotte, andiamo a ballare. Tonight we dey go dance, okay? In discoteca. What it be discoteca? Where everybody they miss right now. Club. Now be discoteca for Italian language. But we see am again. Oggi, today. Oggi pomeriggio. Today afternoon. Stamani or stamattina, this morning. Stasera, this evening. It still means the very day evening, today evening, this evening, whatever. Okay? Then stanotte, tonight. But now they careful. I know say I tell you when I say na present they be, but stamattina, oggi pomeriggio, stasera, stanotte, you feel use them for present, you feel use them for past, you feel use them for future. Okay? For instance now, stamattina ho fatto colazione al bar. It don't pass now, but I still use stamattina because I do one earlier in the morning. So I still use them for past, capito? Ok? Quando hai lavato I piatti, I don't know why they lavavi, no, piatti be my district today. Quando hai lavato I piatti? Oggi pomeriggio. I did it this afternoon. Today afternoon, okay? You fit still use them for present, you fit use them. It depends on when the event happen. In fact, okay? Okay. Then, but we'll go to the past. Past, if I tell you l'altro ieri, what do you mean? A day before yesterday. L'altro ieri, a day before yesterday. Ieri, yesterday. Ieri. Yesterday. Ieri mattina, yesterday morning. Ieri pomeriggio, yesterday afternoon. Ieri sera, yesterday evening. Ieri notte, yesterday night. Okay. Then another important expression they whether they use for past. Whether they call her fa. What it mean fa? Fa means ago. Okay. 3 giorni fa, 3 days ago. 5 giorni fa, 5 days ago. Una settimana fa, a week ago. Un mese fa, a month ago. Un anno fa, a year ago. Another past word now where they important now be scorso. Scorso. Il mese scorso. Last month. But man, they careful. La settimana scorsa. Il mese scorso, last month. But if I want to talk last week, na go be la settimana. You know, come be scorso again because settimana na feminine. Go be la settimana scorsa. Ok? Il mese scorso, l'anno scorso, ma la settimana scorsa. What it be settimana? Week. Last week. La settimana scorsa. Okay? On all these expressions now. Past. Na past event. Because yesterday now, it don't finish now. Past. Ieri. What I talk say be a day before yesterday. L'altro ieri. Okay? Okay. Now, we will go to the future on when day. Domani. Domani means tomorrow. Domani. Ok? Domani mattina. Domani pomeriggio. Domani sera. Domani notte. Ok? Domani, not tomorrow. Mattina, what be mattina? Morning. Pomeriggio, afternoon. Sera, night. Sera, evening. Sorry. Sera na evening. Notte, night. Ok? Dopo domani. The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. Maybe dopo domani. Quando hai l'appuntamento, when you get appointment, dopo domani. The day after tomorrow, now get them. Okay? And another important word whether they use now, fra or tra. If you choose any one of them, anyone way they enter your mouth, now you go use fra or tra. It depends on you. If you ask me something and I say in a month time, for Italian I want to talk fra un mese. Okay? In a year, fra un anno. In a week time, fra o tra una settimana. Okay? Fra or tra, choose one. Is that you use fra or you use tra? Okay? Quando vai in Nigeria, where you go Nigeria? Tra un mese, in a month's time. Okay? Did I use tra or fra? It means exactly the same thing. Then I still talk il mese prossimo. Il mese prossimo. Next month. Quando arriva la sorella di Luca? Il mese prossimo. Next month. La settimana prossima. Assim, you can change. Mese prossimo. Ok? Anno prossimo. Now you go use. But if you can't reach settimana, you can be prossima. Because settimana, it change because it's now feminine. I believe say my students by now they don't know the difference because I always stress this thing. Okay, may we make some examples. For example, quando, but we use all those things where we don't first read. What it be quando? When? Quando arriva Gianluca? Tra un mese. In a month. Tra una settimana. Una sia un mese, because na masculine. Una settimana, because na feminine. Okay, guys. Una sia, this one's not the expressions of time we will fit they use. If person asks us now, when you do this thing, or when you go do this thing, if you tell them, oggi, stasera, domani, dopodomani, tra un mese, fra un mese, fra una settimana, or tra una settimana. Okay, but me always get them for my say when settimana they careful for the one una could use. Okay, you need to if you say if person tell me say settimana prossimo, I go buy that person too. Not joke. Okay, guys, until the next one, Mona always remember to follow me for Facebook, and Mona still follow me here up on YouTube so that Una go to see more and more content. Until the next one, stay blessed for now. Ciao.